Hi, it's Elwacho. Today I'll be showing you some ways that you can have fun on a rainy day. Let's start. One thing that you can try and do is read a book. I do find these Captain Underpants quite funny. This is good. That's a good one. One thing that I like to do is put on some headphones, relax, and listen to music. Another thing you can do is do some drawing. Another thing I like to do is watch some Elwacho vlogs on YouTube.
Hi, I'm Elwacho. I'll be posting weekly vlogs around the pond, trees, and grass. I've made a short film depicting what you might see on the channel in the future.
Wow, that was funny, that was funny. Oh, the juice, that's good. Oh yeah, the scooter, that was fun. That wasn't. Oh yeah, it was. Another thing you can do is play some video games. One of my favorites is Minecraft. Get the thing. Let's go. Go explore it. Good thing about this is that if there's bad weather like there is outside, then you can have your own simulated nature walk and wait till it clears up. Trident. Take that. This is very, very fun, very relaxing. Until you start fighting monsters. You know. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you try some of these yourself, and I will see you next time.